My name is Bhavesh and I'm co-founder of Brands.live. In Brands.live, we are building a platform which helps the Indian MSME sector to get the ready-made branded content. We have started in 2020, scaled it to till now more than 8.5 million download across India. Our offering in terms of widespread of Indian businesses daily branding and marketing needs for their WhatsApp promotion, their social media promotions. They will just have to put their logo within the application, and then they can get this content with the posting, scheduling, boosting, all these options within from the app and the web also. To attract the new level of customer, one income group customer is already using our product, but we want to scale a little higher. We want to target a bit different audience. So that's where we are in the hunt for the good like-minded people who can just understand the product, who can understand the market, and help us in design and curate this particular platform. Our expectation was that only that we have certain idea, we understand the target audience, we have clear definition of product roadmap, but not the complete let's say a user experience and how easy they can get what we are offering, because our offering was so wide. We have more than 8.5 lakh images on the portal. To showcase that product to the particular one user is what we are struggling with at that time. So that's where we started building with momentum to the next level of product. A first structure that we were lacking, that's we got from the Momentum team. And Momentum team started with a lot of insights. Kaushik has been one of the pillar for this. He ran an entire show with our tech team. They have created wonderful designs for this new portal. Earlier we don't have the web version. It's very simple version out of there, which is a tech team design. After the makeover, it is completely different, and now people thinks that particular product with a different attitude. So that's where we got something structure from the Momentum team. So always pleasure to be a great team, part of great team.